In this video, we're going to actually look at how to move instrument stabs around in Finale version 26. It actually started in Finale version 25 and Finale version 2014.5 that you can actually move instruments around via the Score Manager tool. And you're going to go to Window. You can either go to Window, Score Manager, or you can go to Command K on Mac or Control K on Windows. And it should pop up with the Score Manager window. Now these are all your instruments and the sound banks that they come from. But if you wanted to move an instrument, all you would have to do is select the instrument you want to move and make sure the drop down doesn't come up. You want to select it where there's no text so that the drop down menu for selecting instruments doesn't come up, because you can also add instruments or change instruments in this pane. So I'm going to put the drums, if it'll let me put the drums, move the drums down here. You'll see that blue line that places the drum set right after the piano. In typical score order, I would probably want all the vocals, the guitars, the bass, piano, and then the drum set, then the string orchestra as the final grouping. If you added an instrument, let's say you wanted to add an instrument, you go down here, you click Add Instrument. Let's say we wanted to add some synthesizer or something like that. We can go to pop rock, or we can go to electric, and we can put whatever seems good to us here. I'm going to go synth soundtrack, and I'm going to do it right there. And then again, if that's not where you want the synth to be in your score order, you can always click the synth, move it up, make sure the blue line is there. That helps you move it up. And there you go. That is how to move and add instruments in Finale. Thanks.